Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we're going to learn two Chinese characters related to direction and position. The character左and the character右. Let's do a little activity together. Please stretch out your left hand and say 左, then stretch out your right hand and say 右. Can you guess what these two characters mean? That's right. 左 means left and 右 means right. 左 and 右 represent two opposite directions or positions. We can also combine them with other characters to form new words. For example, 左手 means left hand. 右手 means right hand. 左转 means turn left. 右转 means turn right. Let's practice reading these characters together. 左左左右右右. Both of these characters come from ancient Chinese writing, the oracle bone script. In ancient times, people used two curved lines bending to the left to represent the meaning of left, like your left hand when it's bent. As the writing system gradually became standardized, the character evolved over time, eventually taking on the stroke-based form we use today. In the same way, the character yo in oracle bone script was shown with two curved lines bending to the right to represent the meaning of right, the exact opposite of 左. Over time, the character yo also went through a similar process of evolution, gradually developing into the modern form we use today. Even now, the two characters still look very much alike. Don't go just yet. In the next part, we'll learn how to write these two characters so you can tell them apart more easily and remember them better. Let's start with 左. It has 5 strokes. First, draw a horizontal line near the top of the square. Next, add a left falling stroke starting above the horizontal line and going down to the left. Finally, on the right side of the left falling stroke, write 3 more strokes in the correct order: a horizontal line, a vertical line, and another horizontal line. Now let's write yo. It also has 5 strokes. Just like 左, start with a horizontal line and a left falling stroke. But this time, on the right side of the left falling stroke, write the component 口. You've probably noticed this already. The two characters share the same basic structure, only with a small difference in this position. When I was a kid, I often mixed them up, until I learned this simple phrase. 左 has 弓 and 右 has 口. Do you get it? In ancient China, the left side was considered more honorable. Because men held a higher social status at the time, they usually stood on the left, while women stood on the right during ceremonies. That's why we have a traditional saying in Chinese, 男左女右, which means men on the left and women on the right. For instance, in imperial China, the emperor sat on the left while the empress sat on the right, symbolizing the idea of the left is honored and the right is humble. Take a look at this photo. President Xi invited 2 distinguished guests to watch the military parade. Can you guess who he thought was the most honored guest? Haha, just kidding. Don't take it too seriously. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.